The quickest and cleanest way to cook bacon in the microwave. Cooks up to 6 slices of bacon in less than 3 minutes. Designed with deep grooves, it drains the fat away from the bacon for healthier cooking. Integrated drain spout allows for easy pour and removal of grease. Clear lid makes it easy to view cooking process and prevents splattering, minimizing cleanup. Super comfortable large handles makes it easy to remove from the microwave. Dishwasher safe. All parts are BPA-free. The Lekue Microwave Bacon Cooker with lid makes it easy to cook bacon in less than 3 minutes. It comes with a clear lid so it's easy to see what's cooking inside and there's no splattering, there's no mess so cleanup is super easy. The Lekue Microwave Bacon Maker Cooker is designed with deep grooves which helps drain the fat away and cook the bacon to its perfect crispness. Once cooked, the integrated spout allows you to pour and remove any grease in the cooker. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean, all pieces are BPA-free. Dimensions: L 11.02 x W 9.8 x H 2.3. Top reviews from the United States. Okay, I should have bought one a while ago. Very happy with this particular item. It's been really easy to clean with hot water before it cools off entirely. Let me tell you, that's a lifesaver. I always pour out any extra grease so it doesn't clog my sinks. The cover does its job. And the flat sides handles are really helpful. My mom used to burn herself with this type of thing all the time. Finding out the right times to cook the bacon is the hardest part. And I cook a lot of pre-cooked bacon, it's just faster, easier for me. I bought this because I actually broke a nice plate trying to get crispy bacon this way, oops. Definitely think it's worth the cost. It's a little on the small size, but long pieces of bacon crinkle up to fit as they cook, so just wrinkle them like ribbon and don't shove more than 6 pieces total in at a time. Overall, I'd say, read the directions first. Try them as is, and then make adjustments for your own microwave, slice thickness, etc. And if you're only doing 3 or 4 pieces, make triangles squares like it says to. You get evenly cooked bacon that way.